In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect InstaForex to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your client dashboard, you want to go to the bottom left here where it says download MetaTrader 4, and you can just click on that. It's going to take you to a separate page here where you can scroll down again, make sure MetaTrader 4 is selected, and then you want to scroll down, and here you can basically get their platform for either Windows or of course any other platforms in case they're available in your case. So for me, it only Windows is available. I'm going to click on download for Windows, and then here, as you can see, the setup has downloaded. I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to open up as a separate pop-up box on my computer here to actually continue the installation. There we go. And you want to click on next first, and then you want to wait for a few seconds. Usually it takes like 10 to 15 seconds for this to complete, and then after that's done, you'll be able to see a finish button down here at the very bottom right. And then what you have to do from there, I'm going to show you in just a second over here. So it should be any time right now. There we go. You want to click on finish, and whenever you click on this finish button here, it's going to open up MT4, so the InstaForex version on your computer. So let's just wait for a few seconds for this to open up. There we go. You want to click on that. It's going to start scanning everything, and then when the scan is done, you can just go ahead and click on this X button, and it's going to pop up this box over here, and this is where you basically can sign in to your account. Okay, so what you have to do there is of course create a MT4 account, a trading account inside your InstaForex, and whenever you have that, you'll receive the credentials to actually sign in to MT4 onto your email. So just go to your email, find your email with the credentials, type in your login, which usually is like a number or something like that. Usually it's just like a long number. Then the password is usually going to be like, it's going to consist out of symbols, numbers, stuff like that. And then here the server as well, you'll have to select this one too. So depending on whichever account you created, you'll receive a specific server, again together with the credentials inside your email. You can just click on that. Whenever you're done, you can then save your account info or not. That's completely up to you. And then press the login button, and you'll successfully log in into InstaForex over here, and you'll be able to go ahead and start trading right here on MT4. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.